Hi ladies, Shelli Pelly, Anti-Carpet Confidential. As you can see, we're in my kitchen because I was going to film a quick breakfast video for you, but I got a couple questions on the website which spurred me to think, okay, I am going to talk about biggest fitness myths that a lot of women have that simply are not true. Now, I did a blog piece on this a few months ago, so you can see the actual blog with more information on all these 7, but let me just quickly run through these with you because knowledge is power, and I want all of us to use our time most efficiently. So these are the 7 biggest fitness myths that I have seen women make that are not true. Number 1, crunches equal washboard abs. No. Washboard abs come from a couple things. 1, yes. Now doing crunches will build the muscle, but you have to combine it with a really good diet and cardio in order to show those muscles, right? Think of it this way. If you have the muscle, but you're eating a crappy diet, maybe eat ding-dongs every day, and who doesn't like ding-dongs? It's going to look like a snowsuit over washboards, if you can get the visual. Crunches plus cardio plus a clean diet will give you the toned ab look that you want. All right. Number 2, you can target where to burn fat. No, you can't target where to burn fat. You're going to lose more inches in areas where you would normally lose more inches. For me, I lose first in my waist and last in my butt, for whatever reason. You cannot target where to burn fat. Number 3, the treadmill is just as effective as outdoor running. Okay, here's the thing. When you're running outside, your body is naturally kind of accommodating to different terrain and dips and rolls, whereas a treadmill is just much smoother. They find on average that outside you're going to burn about 10% more calories. Personally, do what you love doing, do what feels safest, do what feels best, because the important thing is that you just love what you're doing in terms of your exercising. So, if I want to run on the treadmill because it's dark out and otherwise I'm not going running, I'm going to run on the treadmill. All right. Number 4, heavy weights will bulk you up. No, unless you are doing some serious steroids or you're part of the 0.00001% of the world of women who really will bulk up, you're not going to bulk up. Actually, lifting heavier weights will slim you down because you're lifting heavier weights, you're burning more calories, and you're building more muscle mass, right? At any rate, it will actually slim you down, right? And it also helps to sculpt and redefine your body. So if I'm working my upper body out a little more, it's going to make my hips look a little slimmer. So you can actually sculpt your body through it. You are not going to get big muscles. Number 5, no pain, no gain. I hate that. It reminds me of like Gold's Gym and some guy in those like tank tops with those big fluffy Zumba pants. But no. So here's the thing. A little discomfort is fine, right? And we all know when our body is going, this is uncomfortable because I'm getting a good workout, because it's a hard rep, and this just doesn't feel right, this hurts. If something hurts, if something's painful, if there's a shooting pain, stop. If it's just discomfort and you just kind of want to push through it, that's fine. But it doesn't mean no pain, no gain. That's a myth. You can still get excellent results by being safe, and you want to exercise long term. Okay, number 6, you shouldn't work out every day. Okay, it's kind of a hybrid, right? I wouldn't go balls to the wall 7 days a week because here's the thing, your body does need a break. So, for example, I do 5 days a week of pretty good hardcore workout, which means I do cardio and weight training. 1 day a week, I take yoga, which is just relaxing for me. And then the other day I give myself totally off as a recovery day. And that just allows me to kind of rest. It lets my body recharge. Now there are some weeks when I've worked out really, really hard and I can tell my body needs an extra day off and I give it that day off. But it's perfectly fine to work out every day and just to do a little something, okay? Number 7, and the last one is, I'm too old and it's too late. No, only if you think so. You're never too old. It is never too late. I swear I saw like 100-year-old people on TV on like C-SPAN the other day, and they're like in a chair doing this. I thought, well, good for them. My grandpa is 102. You are not old. So get it in gear, get it going. You can do it. All right. If you want to see a little more information about these 7 tips, go to my blog, AnnieParkerConfidential.com. I put the link to the specific blog right below the video. So take a quick look at it, and I'll see you on the blog.